guys, so today we're going to show you the upgrades of my racer. I have tape up to paint it.
Alright, we did a roll cage, full roll cage by BajaFab in Mexico. Added some doors to it with nets, security nets. The roll cage with bumpers, rear bumper. See your rear bumper? Rear bumper. We have front bumper. Front bumper with a BajaDesings S8 10-inch Lightbar. Okay, we have a 10-inch BajaDesings S8 Lightbar. We got shocks. We got Honda 450 shocks in the front. The camber does move a little bit. It has a little, see the tires are a little bit to the inside to the camber, so I ordered a extension, like a lowering kit for the Honda 450, so you don't face it a little bit. In the rear, we also added the Honda 450 shocks facing to the inside, because if you put them to the outside, they'll hit the tire right here. On this side where the muffler's at, it hits the muffler a little bit. It does hit the muffler a little bit. But I'm in the process of taking it to the muffler shop so they can adjust the muffler, pull it out to the outside a little bit. That way it doesn't scratch it or touches it anymore. Alright, Megan, open the front doors. That's a little lever right there.
On both sides.
Open the door. They're like suicide doors. Close it. Alright, the lights, the rear lights, I added some Tomar, some lights. I made them to light up with a switch. Got a yellow one in the middle and two blue ones on the sides. So every time the switch comes on, those lights come on. Step on the brake. Step on the brake all the way. There you go. So once she steps on the brakes, the red lights on the sides come on. So she has the red lights on the sides and a blue and yellow in the middle, flashing. Okay, now we added some switches in the inside. The switches, that switches the bumper light, and the one missing right there is gonna be for the little light whips later on. To turn the front light on. That was really bright, really bright. Turn it off. Those little 3 yellow lights right there, they're always on. Every time the light switch comes on, they'll come on with the rest of them, like security lights. Put the switch off, the key off. See? So every time the switch comes on, turn it on, those lights come on. Turn it off, they come off. We also added some PRP racing seats for the 170 with 5-point impact racing harnesses for kids. That's the junior harness. It was supposed to be a 5-point, but I didn't put the middle one because the bottom part is not hard, it's not strong enough. On the driver's side, since it's a sliding seat, if you add it on the bottom, it won't be able to slide. I also added a little cushion for her, that way she can sit a little bit higher. Put your seatbelt on. This. There we go. Is it tight enough?
Yes.
Good? Okay, security. First, always be safe.
Yes, kids.
Oh, one more thing. We have a little, oh, hell, handle right there. So as a passenger, you can hold on.
Like this.
Okay, you can hold on right there as a passenger.
And here, this little button. There's lights here.
Press the little button.
Because it's morning.
Oh, it has little lights.
You don't see them that well, but right there.
Turn it off.
To turn it off, the same button.
Okay, and what else we have? Okay. Oh, we wrap it. There's a wrap. We put a wrap on it. Especially designed by, well, she helped us out design it. The design we got online, then changed the colors on it. It's her name. And we are in the process of putting a raised radio right there. Raised radio and an intercom for her helmet, that way we can keep in contact with her at all times. Other than that, that's it for now. And we're gonna have some more upgrades later on.
Yes. So bye, guys. Don't forget to stay safe and healthy. Bye.
Bye.